In this case study, we have detailed how we have utilized the Google AdWords campaign to drive successful results for a company offering fall cleanup services by focusing on targeted strategies and optimizing our approach. We have achieved significant results in lead generation and the overall campaign performance. In terms of the campaign objective, first one is to increase the leads, drive a substantial increase in the leads for fall cleanup services, enhance the local visibility, improve the company's online presence within the targeted geographic area. Next is to optimize the ad spend, achieve a high return on ad spend by targeting the high intent customers. So now in terms of what we did, first one is the audience segmentation. We have identified the key demographics and the target audiences based on seasonal needs, such as the homeowners preparing for the winter and the property managers requiring the large-scale cleanups. This segmentation allows for more precise targeting. The next is the localized targeting. We have implemented the geographic targeting to focus on areas with high potential or fall cleanup services. This included targeting specific neighborhoods and the zip codes where property maintenance is in high demand. The next is the seasonal ad campaigns. We have created the ads specifically tailored to the fall season, highlighting the importance of timely cleanup to prevent winter related issues. The next is we have used the seasonal keywords and phrases to attract the users searching for fall cleanup solutions. And the next one is the compelling ad copy. We have developed engaging ad copy emphasizing the benefit of the fall cleanup services, such as preventing damage from the falling leaves, preparing properties for winter, and enhancing curb appeal. The next is the ad extensions. We have utilized the ad extension to provide additional information and encourage user engagement, included the call extension for quick inquiries, the site link extension for detailed services pages, and the structured snippet to showcase various cleanup services. The next is the dynamic search ads. We have deployed dynamic search ads to capture a wide range of relevant queries related to fall cleanup. These ads are automatically adjusted headlines and the landing pages based on user search intent, improving the ad relevance. The next is the landing page optimization. We have designed the dedicated landing pages optimized for conversions. These pages featured clear call to action, easy to complete contact forms, and compelling content about the benefits of the fall cleanup services. The next is the remarketing strategies. We have implemented the remarketing campaign to re-engage users who had previously visited the website but had not yet converted. The ads were customized based on the previous interactions, encouraging users to return and book services. The next is the ad copy A/B testing. We have conducted the A/B testing on various ad elements such as the headlines, description, and the call to actions. This has greatly helped in identify the most effective combination and refine the campaign for better performance. Next is the most important thing, which is the conversion tracking. We have set up the detailed conversion tracking to measure the effectiveness of the campaign. We have monitored key metrics such as the lead form submissions, phone calls, and the service booking to evaluate the ad performance and the ROI. Now is the competitive analysis. We have analyzed the competitors' ad strategy and the keywords to identify the opportunities for differentiation. We have adjusted bids and the ad copy to ensure competitive positioning and the maximize visibility in the search results. The next is interactive ads. We have created interactive ad formats such as a carousel ad showcasing before and after images of fall cleanup projects and the video ads demonstrating the cleanup process. These formats increase the engagement and provided a more immersive experience. The next is the local partnership. We have collaborated with the local businesses and the community organization to bring fall cleanup services through the co-branded campaign. This has greatly helped to expand the reach and build credibility within the community. The next is the seasonal promotions. We have launched seasonal promotions and the discounts to attract customers looking for fall cleanup services. Advertised these offers through the Google AdWords to drive urgency and increase the booking. So now in terms of the results, the campaign resulted in a substantial increase in the quality leads with 296 conversion at the CPA of only 18.85. The next is the enhanced visibility. The campaign led to a 70% increase in online visibility within the targeted geographic area. The company's ads appeared prominently in the search queries. The next is the improved ROI. The optimized ad spend and the targeted strategies resulted in a 45% increase in return over ad spend. The campaign effectively balanced cost and performance, delivering high value leads. So this case study demonstrates the effectiveness of a well-structured Google AdWords campaign in driving leads and enhancing the local visibility for fall cleanup services. By employing targeted strategies and optimizing the ad elements and leveraging the seasonal opportunities, we have achieved significant success in capturing high quality leads and improving the campaign performance. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us through the WhatsApp number on your screen on the top right corner, or you can just fill in the form on the website for the campaign that are running. We can get started with the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. We can get started with the plan of action. So you can just share with us the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do some kind of research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. So if you like this video, please make sure to click on the subscribe button, do like the video and hit the bell icon. Till the next time, thank you for watching.